Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your default email client to Gmail in Google Chrome on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. This is the key typically located between your Control and Alt keys with the Windows logo on it. Once the Start menu opens, type Settings into the search bar and click on the Settings app when it appears in the results. This will open your Windows system settings where you can manage all your computer preferences and configurations. Once you're in the settings window, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Apps to access all the application-related settings on your system. This section controls how your installed programs interact with Windows and what permissions they have. After clicking on Apps, you'll see more options appear. Look for and click on Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which programs handle specific types of files and links like web browsers, music players, and email clients. This setting is crucial because it determines which application opens automatically when you click certain types of links or files. Now, in the Default Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Google into this search bar and click on the Google Chrome result that appears. This will show you all the different file types and protocols that Chrome can handle on your system. Once you're viewing Chrome's settings, scroll down through the list until you find the Mail to option. The Mail to protocol is what determines which application opens when you click an email address link on a web page or document. This is the key setting that controls your default email behavior. Click on Mail to and a small menu will appear showing you the available options. From this menu, select Google Chrome. By choosing this option, you're telling Windows that whenever you click an email link anywhere on your computer, it should open Gmail in Chrome instead of another email program like Outlook or Windows Mail. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default email client to Gmail in Google Chrome. Now, whenever you click an email address link, it will automatically open in Gmail through your Chrome browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.